So when I got the impression kit, I did the trays like it suggested, and whenever my teeth finally came in, this was the mold of my teeth. And then, as you can see, these are the veneers, and you just stick them right over, and it fits perfectly. So I got pop on because if you can't see, I have a gap, and then one of my teeth fell out. I lost all the calcium in my body after I had my girls, so I heard about these from my mom, who was helping me try to figure out how to cover this, and so I got these, and they just stick into place. I haven't smiled in pictures or in person with my teeth showing in so long that when I switched over to these finally and I was comfortable, people at my job noticed that I was smiling with my teeth more. My family noticed, my friends noticed. It sent my confidence through the roof, and I couldn't be more thrilled. I've been wearing my custom fit pop-on veneers for about 2.5 weeks now, and this is the most comfortable out of all the solutions I've come across. This is the most perfect fitted pair because it was custom made from my teeth. I don't notice them. I can eat just fine with them, and I'm just happy. I've been having issues with my teeth for about 2 years now, and I've not found any veneers that fit me comfortably, that didn't irritate my mouth in some way, and ones that just genuinely look natural. So when I heard about these, I figured why not? And I got them, and this is the most comfortable and the most confident I have felt showing my mouth off in a long time.